Look what just arrived in the mail. Our new kitchen display screen from Toast. Before we do the grand unboxing, let me just walk through my kitchen real quick and tell you why we need a kitchen display screen. And my kitchen is not the ideal setup. Many of us restaurant owners don't have the glamorized, perfect kitchen setup. We work with what we got. That's the name of the game. Food would normally be going outside this window, but that would kill my dining space. So we have this long kitchen setup with the taskbar at the very end down there with one kitchen display screen. And you can't read that kitchen display screen from back here. What we want to do is take our new kitchen display screen and mount it. We want to mount it right here if it'll fit. And I think once we get it out of the box, it will fit perfectly.
It's way better than one.
Let's cut her open and see what she looks like in here. The Toast Flex 22-inch. Don't go with a smaller kitchen display screen. If you are gonna get one, you gotta go with the Big Daddy. You'll thank me later. There's that Toast power. The last step we have to do is connect it to the internet. My good friend Roger, IT genius, is gonna come by and do all that. But you can already see how great this is. Like, especially at the salad bar here, when we have a salad with no Kalamata olives, no feta cheese, no pepperoncini peppers, no cucumbers, no salad dressing. I mean, is it even a salad at that point? But we literally have had just a plate of lettuce happen to us before. Same thing with the pizzas that we make with all the toppings on it. And I'll pop that up real quick. See what's fresh in the oven. Oh, some potatoes there. Always cooking fresh food. But yeah, staff is thrilled about it. I think a lot of arguments have occurred from people having to yell all the way over there to communicate with cooks all the way back here. Yeah, it's gonna be a great weekend with our new Toast Flex. Big shout out to Toast for going above and beyond and getting us all fixed up.
Amazing vibes and some great tasting food.
That's crazy. It's like you expect these things on a Friday night, not on a Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Or Wednesday?
Today is Wednesday.
Yeah, you definitely don't expect all of that on a Wednesday. Emily, what happened over here today? Got a little busy.
It did, yeah, I did.
But we had Toast over here to keep us going, right?
Very easy system to work with, for sure. I love this system.
How much money did you make today? Did you count?
I think like $250.
What?
Yeah, something
Say
like
that again?
$250.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good for you. I'm about 5 years into using Toast point of sale, and I couldn't be happier as a restaurant owner. From Toast payroll to today, you saw the kitchen display screens, the terminals. I will say that my staff has not taken to the handhelds, but we had those for a while. And they were taking orders table side. But something about having that nostalgic check presenter with the paper, I don't know, what do you guys think? When you go out to a restaurant and they present you with the tablet, are you for that, or do you prefer to have like the old school paper? I say that, but even on the old school paper, they actually have a QR reader to pay for your bill right there on the spot. So the back end is user friendly. Toast online ordering, Toast catering. I mean, anything that they put their hands on, and for the past year, Toast AI has been a game changer. So essentially, they have put this. It's not like ChatGPT because it doesn't connect with Toast the way it does. It's like their own internal AI that works for all of their systems. And you can basically ask it anything, and instead of having to search and call support, it'll walk you through the steps on how to get the issue resolved. I've even stepped into a few of their classrooms. They have like basically you can dedicate your life to learning the inner depths of the Toast POS. And I think sometimes the engineers at Toast sometimes realize that we can't do that, so they just create more and more modules and mechanisms. But it's like anything else. I mean, you can make it so organized and so detailed and so in depth, and I love the fact that it has those capabilities. Is it pricey? It is, but like, so is an iPhone, but are you going to use anything else? I mean, you pay for what you get, you pay for the ecosystem, and you pay for the convenience. And you focus on making money, and don't worry about the pennies. Focus on chasing the dollars, and that's kind of where I'm at with the system. I don't see myself ever switching from Toast. And the fact that I own 2 restaurants now, I'm able to just toggle between the two on the back end, auto clock people out. I mean, I can go on and on about how much I love the POS system. I've been in business for 13 years, using Toast for 5, and never looking back. Anyway, that's today's vlog. A new kitchen display screen is installed, and that's all in an effort to make my restaurant more streamlined and more successful. The food should be pushed out faster and fresher. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video.